Imagine yourself strolling through vibrant streets painted in hues of saffron, aquamarine, and terracotta. This is Oaxaca, Mexico's best-kept cultural treasure. Did you know this city is not only steeped in centuries-old traditions, but is celebrated as a haven for inclusivity? From street markets bursting with handmade crafts to the intoxicating smells of mole sauces cooking over open flames, this city awakens every sense. Insider tip: visit during late October for the colorful, world-famous Day of the Dead celebrations. Not a fan of crowds? No worries. A short drive away, Hierve El Agua offers serene, natural infinity pools overlooking surreal, petrified waterfalls. Skip the overrun tourist traps. Explore Oaxaca's vibrant art scene in its neighborhoods like Jalatlaco for colorful murals. Travel without limits. Subscribe to Destination Travel, your passport to adventure. Where should we go next? Drop your dream destination below.